this video, we are going to see how we can query logs based on a specific condition and check events of the filtered logs. When you access the APIwiz logging, you can go on the top right side and select the time range based on your preferences. After filtering, you'll be able to see the logs as well as the data which will get filtered based on our conditions. In these log fields, you can click here to sort these log fields based on your convenience, either alphabetically or based on the number of occurrences. The text here shows how many occurrences of these specific log fields have appeared in the log data. In this case, I want to filter this log data based on the method. So I'll go here in the log field section and look for the log field called verb. If I click on this filter icon here, I'll get a handy little section for putting my condition. So my condition is that the method of the call should be equal to post. You can also use other logical operations like less than, equal to, greater than, but in this case, I'll just put equals to post. After I'm satisfied, I'll click on this filter option. As you can see, the filter condition is mentioned here that the log request verb is post, and all the request verbs which have post data are appearing here. If I access here, I can click on this button to clear all the existing data, or I can come here and edit this query. If instead of post I want get, I'll click on this button and click and update the value here to see whether how many of these post method calls have a response of 404. And I can see that there's a status code log field here. I can click on this and put a 404 value. I can use either and or for putting various condition in this section. I click on this apply filter button. I can see that there are total 4 API calls which have post method and a status code of 404. To inspect this event further, I can click on that. Since APIwiz offers flexible UI, you can close the left hand side panel and open the events panel and see the event in all its glory. Apart from that, you can see the duration and when the event occurred. You can click on this button to close the tab, and on the left hand side will come up again. You can click on this refresh to see whether there are any latest data matching this query. And lastly, you can click on this clear button to clear all the conditions. In the next video, we will see how we can use this same condition to save our preset views and create alerts based on that condition.